I'm Santiago Trujillo, and this is my user management microservice. It provides users with the ability to update their personal information through an intuitive and friendly user interface. So how does this work? As explained previously, the authentication microservice gives me the ID through the API gateway and with the help of a query from the GraphQL or API gateway, I obtain the user data using that ID. Thus, through this function, I send the user information to the frontend through request. Now we are going to explain how does microservice and integrated monitoring were deployed. The first thing that was made was a YAML file in which it's specific. We see a deployment for the frontend along with a service of type load balancer. This is to be able to access the pod externally. Something very similar was done with the backend, along with its post database in Postgres. In the case of the DB service, a cluster IP was used so that the backend can access it externally through the internal DNS managed by the node. And a config map was configured to place a SQL schema for the DB. Well, place this YAML file in the Azure console. Here we can make it cat, and here we see it. Now we can deploy it. We can deploy it. We do an apply kubectl, etc. And here we see the entire deployment with its pods and service. Thus, finally we check the deployment with the external IPs that the load balancer give us. And the front and the back. Now the connection with the DB, good. We see that everything was deployed correctly. Now for monitoring, Azure give us different ways to monitor Kubernetes. One of them is the metrics, which give us a lot of information. Some of them are cluster health, scale down, cooldown, etc., etc. CPU usage, millicores, etc. Thus, we are constantly monitoring the cluster and preventing future failures. Thank you.